So that's our work so far. It's very elastic and has a gorgeous knitting look. These are 62 rows in total. Now we're going to join the stripe to a circle. Make sure to join when your short tail is on the diagonal opposite side of your loop. Your knit stitches should point to the top. This will be the inside after joining. You can join by sewing, but also by slip stitching, and this is what I'm going to show you. Now the cuff is joined, and at this point you can try it on and see if it fits well. At that point you can adjust the amount of your rows to get a wider or thinner cuff. Now turn it inside out. Your stitches should point to the bottom to continue. Now we're going to crochet the knit stitch in spiral rounds. I'm going also to crochet over this short tail. We're going to crochet always one knit stitch through the V stitches and one in between. Switch to your 2mm crochet hook. Let's start by stitching through the first stitch and through the whole fabric to the back side. Then pull up a loop. Make sure to have a very loose tension, otherwise you won't be able to stitch through your stitches later on. Now yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. This is actually a single crochet, but it will be a knit stitch later in this project, you will see. Now stitch through your fabric in between, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. Here is the V. In this case, you've got to stitch through the center of this V stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. In between. Continue to crochet this way in spiral rounds. We don't join rounds, we don't start any round, just crochet on and on and on. After one round, continue to stitch through your previous stitches and make sure to stitch always through the V. That's the difference between a single crochet and a knit stitch. We're not using our usual front and back loops. We are stitching directly through the V and through the fabric to the back side. That's our work so far, and it looks just like knit fabric. These are 12 rounds. And now we're going to create a thumb space. You can choose any place for the opening. At that point, you can adjust the amount of your rounds and the amount of stitches you will need for your thumb. For the kit size, I'm going to skip 16 stitches. Then insert your hook into number 17 and continue to crochet the knit stitch in spiral rounds. Just leave the thumb space as it is and crochet only the fingers part.